What is your name?
My name is Suresh Tamang.
How old are you?
I am 28 years old.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
Do you have children?
I have one children.
What is your education level?
My education level 10 pass.
Do you have any work experience?
5 years experience. 5 years arc welding experience in Nepal.
Okay. So why do you want to go Romania?
For money and my family support and my future.
So how long do you want to stay in Romania?
5 years.
Okay, thank you. Show me your work.
Thank you. Thank you.